It's about us. It's about you, Frankie, about Foz, it's about you, Vince. Every single person is about us, because we are people. And it was strange today when we visited the ruins in the centre of the city, and we were with an archaeologist, and when I saw where they were digging, and I saw the black line of carbon, of old fire, of old death, there was something that hit me, and it made me think about this song. This is a song about people. We just want to live. I wish so many other people would react in the same way as most of the people want to deal with the world. This is a song about life, and this is called The Perception of Johnny Punter. Some days you wake up and you don't have any real sense of direction. You just can't seem to find the will to go through with it all. Your next allotted 24-hour slice of fucking destiny. Rather than a world of opportunities, it's just a bad vibe and full of too many negative variables. I noticed these houses way up on the hill, and I tried to imagine just what it would have been like living up there, isolated from the world, every night watching those fires crawl slowly down the valley, and wondering, always wondering, when it was going to be your turn for the visit. I tried to imagine just what it would have been like hiding in a cellar with your family and the fear, hoping that when they do come, when the dogs don't bark and that silence is all around you, you hope and you pray that they don't find you hiding in that cellar, because you have got nowhere else left to run to. And you know, there's one day that something's going to happen. There's one day